YouView retuning is a crucial maintenance process that every YouView box owner should understand. This process involves rescanning for available digital television channels and updating your device's internal channel database. Think of retuning as giving your YouView box a fresh scan of all available television services in your area. Just like tuning a radio to find clear stations, your box needs to periodically search for and catalog all the digital channels it can receive. There are 4 essential reasons why retuning your YouView box is necessary for optimal performance. First, new television channels and services launch regularly. Without retuning, you would miss out on these new offerings that become available in your area. Second, broadcast transmitters occasionally change their frequencies for technical or regulatory reasons. Your box needs to adapt to these changes to maintain reception. Third, retuning restores missing or corrupted TV guide data. The Electronic Program Guide, or EPG, provides you with program schedules and information. Finally, retuning optimizes your signal reception and quality, ensuring you get the best possible viewing experience from your available channels. The Electronic Program Guide is a crucial component that retuning helps maintain. This provides you with detailed program schedules, show descriptions, and timing information for up to 7 days in advance. YouView boxes work by scanning specific radio frequency bands, particularly VHF and UHF ranges, to detect available digital television services. Professional signal meters can help diagnose reception issues, but the retuning process handles this automatically. As of 2025, YouView has implemented significant improvements to the retuning process. Enhanced EPG synchronization protocols have improved stability, while updated firmware has streamlined retuning to typically take just 15 to 20 minutes, compared to the previous 30 to 45-minute duration. These improvements mean that modern YouView boxes are more reliable and efficient than ever before. The enhanced algorithms better detect new channels and services, while improved error handling reduces the need for manual troubleshooting. Let's walk through the complete process of manually retuning your YouView box. We'll cover each step in detail to ensure you can successfully update your channels and restore your TV guide. First, you need to access the Settings menu on your YouView box. Using your remote control, navigate to the main menu. Look for a Settings icon or gear symbol, typically found in the main interface. Once in the Settings menu, look for options labeled Signal and Connection, or simply Channels. These options control your TV reception and channel management. The exact wording may vary depending on your YouView box model. Within the Signal and Connection menu, you'll find the Retune option. This might be labeled as Retune Channels, Manual Tune, or Channel Scan. Select this option to begin the retuning process. Before starting the retune, your YouView box will display a confirmation dialog. This is important because retuning will delete your existing channel list. Make sure you're ready to proceed, then confirm your selection. After confirming, your YouView box will begin scanning for available channels. This process typically takes between 15 to 20 minutes. You'll see a progress bar showing the scan progress. Be patient and don't interrupt this process. If prompted, you may need to select your regional variation. This ensures you receive the correct local news and programming for your area. Choose the region that matches your location from the list provided. Finally, review your new channel lineup and test the Electronic Program Guide to ensure everything is working correctly. Check that all your expected channels are present and that the TV guide is displaying program information properly. If you encounter persistent issues after retuning, there are additional troubleshooting steps you can try. These include performing a factory reset, power cycling your device, or checking your aerial connections. Following these steps should successfully retune your YouView box and restore your channel lineup and TV guide. Remember to allow up to 48 hours for the Electronic Program Guide to fully populate with all program information.